Welcome to Safety Products. Today we'll be looking at the heat resistance of safety lanyard ropes. Using the basic tools like a heat gun and thermal camera, we can simply demonstrate the reaction of the TPU coatings in extreme heat zones. Here we test the STL10 SS 316 stainless steel red TPU coated wire. The temperature is over 150 degrees C and lowers due to the air displacement around the rope. You can see the rope coating melts, but it doesn't burn. Closer inspection shows the coating is still very hot, but only melted. Now we run the same test on the STL10V Vectran rope. As you can see, the TPU coating melts, but doesn't burn at these extreme temperatures of up to 150 degrees C and above. These sorts of tests we place our designs through, just to see how well they would stand up to some of the extreme environments they are placed in. This you'll not find from any other designer or manufacturer, these sorts of rigorous tests. Thank you for watching.